Hello everyone, welcome back to the online help guide. I'll be showing you how to disable notification on TokenPocket in this video. Let's get started. Start by opening TokenPocket on your device. Tap on Me at the bottom right. Tap on Settings at the bottom. Go to Notifications at the top. Now to disable the notification, toggle off the Enable Notification option at the top. Now you won't get any notifications or updates from the app. To enable notification, simply tap on Allow Sending Me Notifications icon at the top. Just like so. And that is how to disable notification on TokenPocket. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.